Filling out my cup, coffee talk on the screen porch. So in love, now you're the one I'm losing sleep for. And I hope the wrong one slip right through your magic fingers. And I hope we find some way to fall in love like we were. Yeah, you're the only reason I was California dreaming in the first place.
Seeing you in
Sundress seasons got me all up in my feelings for the old days, old days. I've got the summertime.
Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back. Today's video is going to be another tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I created the hairstyle that you saw in the intro of this video, and also how I hid the headband in the popular headband wigs. Okay, so the first thing I did was to stretch my hair. Obviously, there is no hairstyle I want to do. I will always stretch my hair before I do any hairstyle. So I went ahead to stretch my hair. I already did that like in two of my other videos. I showed you how I stretch my hair in my, in two different videos. I'm going to leave the videos linked in the description box, so you might just want to check those videos out if you are interested in learning how to stretch your hair without using heat. Okay, so after making sure that my hair has been stretched properly, I went ahead to part my hair into two, some to the back and some to the front, just like always. And I just packed the one at the back away and I braided the ends just to keep it, because we're not going to be doing anything to that aspect. We're not going to be doing anything. We are just going to be covering that part up. Okay, and then I just braided it just so that the ends are not flying around, just to keep it intact and safe. That was the reason why I braided it. Okay, so now we are going to focus on the front section, because that is where the spice of this hairstyle is. I decided that I was going to do bantu knots for the front section, and I used shine and jam to part it, to make sure that the parts are really clean and neat. We are all about clean and neat parts over here. We don't do rough parts. We don't do dirty parts. Okay, so I made sure that the parts was neat and clean, and then I also use the same shine and jam to pull each part together, if that makes sense, like each section together, just as you are seeing it right now, to make the edges neat so that there are no flyaways and everything is just intact and nice. Okay, so and that was what I used the shine and jam gel for. Okay, I also want to ask you guys if you have noticed that shine and jam gel is, I can't find it easily on Hairstyle gel, and that's one problem I think I have with shine and jam gel. I can't find it easily on Hairstyle gel. For example, the shine and jam gel that I currently have now, I will soon run out of it, and if I don't place an order for it, I can't find it easily in my area. I have an issue with that, and I also have an issue with the sizing. I feel like they should make a really big size so that once you buy, that it's going to last you for a really long time. Anyway, that's by the way. After making sure that I've applied the shine and jam gel properly to hold the base of the bantu knot, I just went ahead to roll my hair, and then I just rolled it into a bantu knot. If your hair is not as long as mine, you can just up your hair with some extensions, braid your hair with some extensions, and then roll it into a bantu knot. Okay, it's pretty easy. I feel like it's something you can do within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Honestly speaking, if I was not filming on this particular day, this hairstyle would have taken me less than 20 minutes. I am very sure of that, because it's something that is really easy. You don't even need to set your hair with some scarf, because shine and jam gel has a really nice hold, so you really do not need to tie scarf to make the gel work faster or something like that. You don't need all of that. Okay, you really do not need all of that. And also, looking at my hair like this, I feel really proud of my natural hair journey, where I was coming from and where my hair is currently right now, in terms of the health and also in terms of the length. I'm really proud of my hair. If you want to see, if you want to know how I grow my hair, how I take care of my hair, I'm going to leave the playlist down in the description box, so you might want to check what I have to say concerning taking care of your hair, how to grow long natural hair. You might want to check those videos out as well. Okay, yeah, so I just did the baby hairs. Don't worry, the baby hair is still going to disappear when I do my makeup, but I just did it anyway. I did, and I actually really love these baby hairs. I really loved it. And I went to do my makeup and I'm back, and as you can see, the baby hairs have actually disappeared. So this is the wig we are going to be using today. I am using this headband wig that I've had for a while now. It's from our given hair, by the way, if you are wondering. I received it in PR a long time ago, okay? So I'm going to be hiding the headband in this particular wig today. So just as you are seeing it, I folded it inside and then I just placed it directly on my hair, at the back section, just as you are seeing it right now. It's something that is really simple. It's something that is really simple. You really do know it doesn't require so much, and that is the reason why I said you can get it done in less than 20 minutes. Okay, so I used bobby pins to pin the wig down. We are hiding the headband, so I used bobby pins to pin the wig down to secure it firmly so it doesn't remove from my head. You don't want a situation whereby you've already slayed, you've already made your hair perfect and all of that, but when you are in transit or you are in motion, you just realize that your wig falls off. You don't want that, so you want to secure it properly, and that was exactly what I did. I made sure that anywhere that the headband wants to be coming out, I just make sure I hide it properly, and then I use the bobby pins to secure it. And then I also there is this elastic band that comes with all wigs. Okay, I just went ahead to secure the wig also with that elastic band. Okay, so I just adjusted the wig in places that needed adjustment, and that is basically it. That was how I was able to hide the headband in this headband wig. Okay, let me know what you think of this hairstyle in the comment section. Do you think it is as easy as I have showed you guys in this video? Do you think it's something you'll be able to recreate? So let me know in the comment section. I would really love to hear from you. Okay, I also went ahead to fix my baby hairs again, and voila, that is actually how I achieved this hairstyle, and also how I hid the headband of this headband wig. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video.
Filling up my cup, coffee talk on the screen porch. So in love, now you're the one I'm losing sleep for. And I hope the wrong one slip right through your magic fingers. And I hope we find some way to fall in love like we were. Yeah, you're the only reason I was California dreaming.